worry, guys. I learned the secret in the movie today. Don't worry, guys. Everything went exactly as planned. Having patience and sticking with something can make problems go away. The extra piece is worth about $2.35, and we're slowly losing ground against Bitcoin, but that's the plan since XRP is the first Bitcoin pair, and we're going to talk about price action. Everything is going as planned, but now you guys are there from the XRP community, and this is called white. As the days go by, more and more evidence shows that prices are about to go through the roof. Let's put the pieces together one by one. First, we have a message from Mr. Poole on May 20, 2021. His face is shocked, like, huh? What's going on right now? He also has his eyes on a computer screen. It's interesting to see that these guys are looking at a computer screen. They must be seeing something on this picture, right? That there's another dip for today. They have something in their eyes as they look at a certain point. This does seem strange since we just talked about how news will attach to XRP's price so it can go, right? That's what I think these pictures are showing. This is Riddler in the year 520. And once more, this is not meant to be business advice. He then showed them this video, which they should watch right now because it shows XRP. But if you see something right, everything is green and there are only green guys. Afterward, it gets dark and everyone shows up. It looks like the bull. And XRP right there, no changes made to the original sentence as of today. It's time to talk about XRP because I think it's all pointed at the charts and not at all of them as promised. Let's go. Things are about to get really exciting. So check to see if everything is going as planned. This is XRP for play, guys. Told you it would be weak. Where were we before? Look at that wound. We came all the way up here and now it's bleeding. We're so close to this cash grab, guys. We're pretty much there. So here's the plan. They'll either drop it and grab the cash or they'll take off from here and send it through the roof. That's still waiting for and hoping for is for them to bring it down, then take off and push it to new all-time highs for XRP. That's really strange. Also, XRP would be dying if Bitcoin disappeared. Well, this is the area where we're trading right now, guys. If Bitcoin keeps going up and XRP doesn't do S and just swings, this will keep going down. That's keeping the USD price of XRP safe. But guys, XRP is going to take a beating if Bitcoin drops and this happens. Either way, we're almost ready to moon. That's why if you look at these other high signs like this MACD, the daily MACD is clear to me as day. So the price is going down. Looking at the last bullish divergence that this extra piece price went through, it literally blew up. But guess what's coming up? If this falls again like this and the MACD goes down a bit, that will be a triple bullish divergence, which is very positive. That is the craziest bullish thing I have ever heard. It's probably been going on all the way back here, guys, like everywhere else in this area. Okay, guys, things are about to get crazy. XRP is going to blow up. It needs to catch up to Bitcoin. And when it does, it will go up by about 40% Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is in that range, I'm going to pump a little. It will be even crazier when XRP goes up against USD. So guys, the signs are getting ready. As we said, everything is going as planned. On their first day of trade, XRP futures on CME Group brought in $19 million, 0 cents. That was better than Solana's launch and Ethereum's launch as well. Still, this means that if this product is getting a lot of attention, why is that the case? It doesn't seem right. Those who think the price will skyrocket in the next few days or weeks, it's getting a lot of attention because people are betting on whether it will go up or down based on the charts. I'm hoping it goes up, and I think it will go up right when XRP versus Bitcoin hits its lowest point on this chart. Guys, it's time to go. This isn't a drill, and what's happening here is real. XRP is a cryptocurrency that's been traded the most on the Korean market right now. The amount of trades went up to $20 billion, 0 cents. Why is that? Because of the volume. Prices will have to follow. Remember that volume comes before price. Although trading is picking up, the price hasn't changed, which means they're still there. This is technically manipulation, but we knew it was going to happen. So either they're taking advantage of the fact that it's close to a liquidity region or they're going down. I hope they really do go down though, because that would make things a lot easier for us. Then there will be triple divergence and XRP VSUSD will explode. I'm going to say it again. It will explode. This is going to move. The Bitcoin that has been waiting for Bitcoin. By the way, Bitcoin is no longer in its XRP place. It doesn't seem to be showing up here. That's great because people are now looking at Bitcoin, Ether, and other coins. What's good about it is that crazy things are happening all over the place. For example, ProShares futures-based XRP ETF is set to go live this week on May 21st with a 25 stock offering. By the way, the last time a product like this was released for XRP, it was right here at the very bottom. Does that mean the bottom is in? If Bitcoin goes up to $215,000, 0 cents, and XRP doesn't change rates and stays in this range, XRP will go down first, then Bitcoin. The bottom is in, and it will grow and catch up to Bitcoin. Guys, I really missed this bull run, and I'm sure I feel the same way about X. Of course, I'm thankful for everything, but I still want to get back at least some of the XRP she used to have. That's why I need to catch this long. I'm not kidding. I'm about to go all in. I'm just waiting for the right time to ask. They shouldn't use it right now, I hope. And they do make XRP for Bitcoin less valuable. But if we look at this every day, this sign tells us that we should be bullish. We're above this 50 area high once more. The price has been bought too much. The last time it did this, it was right there. So let's start getting ready. Guys, the gathering lasts longer, which is why this area is taking so long. History shows that this won't lead to a crazy pump, so stay calm.